Hey guys, so welcome back to Tracies Local Learnings. So today I have an unboxing. I ordered something off Love is Stitched, Melina. She is another Canadian content creator, and I'm going to put her link in the description of this video. And I'm thinking, for what I ordered, this package seems a little big, so there must be something special in here. Oh, okay. Says, thank you for your order. Let's check this out. Okay. Ah, look at this beautiful card, you guys. It's got mushrooms on it. And it says, thank you so much. It says, hi Tracy, thank you so much for your order. It truly is appreciated. See you on YouTube. Okay, and then it's got her business card. Thanks for supporting small businesses. And let's see, hang on here. Oh, that's got her phone number on it, so I won't show that. Okay, let's see what's in here, because I think there's more. So yeah, I didn't order this. What are you doing, girl? Handmade with love. This is not what I ordered, you guys. Oh, wow. Aww. For my YouTube notes, it says. Hang on here. Oh. So this is amazing. I ordered from Mental Raccoon Glass, and he sent a bunch of extra stuff as well. And now this is my second time ordering online. Look at this, you guys. It's a cast iron skillet handle cover, handmade. That's beautiful. I crochet mine, but they're not solid enough. There's too many holes for the heat to get through, so I am really excited to use this, and it's absolutely beautiful. Machine wash and tumble dry. Okay, and look at this, you guys. This is amazing. Okay, see this? It says, for your YouTube notes. I don't know if that's backwards for you guys. Look at this. This is beautiful. It's got a zipper for you to put your pens and your whatever in there. And look at, this is a very beautiful book. This cover is handmade by her, and isn't it beautiful? So this is going to bring me all sorts of magic from my channel, and I want to thank you so much for sending me extra. Okay, so let's get into what I ordered. All right, and she even wraps it, you guys. Hang on, look at this beautiful paper. Handmade with love. Thank you for your order. This is beautiful. It's like getting a present. Hang on here. Now, I can't wait to show you guys this. Okay, look at the fabric, first of all. This checkered pattern is called Garden Party. And I saw her making this on her live stream. Or no, on her video. I don't think she goes live yet. And I was like, I gotta have it. So let me take off my big puffy vest so I can show you guys what this is. So this is an apron, okay? Now, I gotta try to figure this out. It goes, isn't this beautiful? Look at that. That's one side, and that's the other side. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how this works. You put your apron on, okay? And I'll tie that. Now I should back this up for you can see better, but we're just gonna move my chair. There we go. Okay, so down here on the bottom part, do you see this drawstring? So you pull this. I am so excited. You see that? And then you kind of pull this out. Look at this, you guys. Now, I wish I would have had this when my son was young. because I was picking up Lego and Hot Wheels, and this would have been so handy. So you put one string through one way, and then you put the other tie the other way. And this is a really nice, strong belt piece here to hold this. And then you do it as tight or as loose as you want. And it's a pocket. So I absolutely love this. Look at, I will be able to harvest from my garden. Can you guys see how big this pocket is? So I can pop all my tomatoes in there or my blueberries. And then inside is a pocket. So if I need my pruners or my gloves or whatever, they can go inside the pocket. Isn't that amazing, you guys? And I love the fabric. I love the color. Remember that all of her products are 100% cotton. So it's actually really good quality. And I guess I could tighten this side a little bit more. So you can tighten it as much as you want, or you can make it as big as you want, right? So if you're cleaning the house and you want your like paper towel and your Windex and your wipes and whatnot, you can have them right with you all the time. And then if you want it a bit smaller, you can do that. And then you just adjust it once you get it on there. Isn't that amazing? I love this. I think this is super fantastic. So if you guys have not checked out Melina's channel, it's Melina, it's Love is Stitched. And she has so many beautiful things. She also makes these binder covers, these book covers, and you can put them onto another one, and they're all again 100% cotton. And look at this little charm on there. Isn't that beautiful? Like, her eye for detail on things is amazing. Remembering that she does all of these by hand, and there's even a little handmade logo right there. And there's her company logo, which is Love is Stitched. Isn't that beautiful? Amazing, amazing. So I'm super excited to start using this as my tomatoes are starting to grow. This will be perfect to put my vegetables in as I'm out harvesting, and I can keep my hands clear and free for grabbing other things, because there's always so much. Like, look at that. That's so awesome. For cooks, for moms, for house cleaners, for gardeners. I mean, it's everything, right? It's perfect. And I love the design of the fabrics. This one, like I said, is called Garden Party. Excuse me. It's called Garden Party. And then if you don't want to use it as a pocket, you just pull these strings back out, right? Or even after you've filled it, and say I've got this full of produce from the garden, then I just pull this out, like, oops, like this, and then I can put everything down on the table or in wherever it goes, and then I still have this beautiful apron on. So I would love for you guys to go and check out her channel and her products. This is her apron. I'm going to show you the other side, because I dig this. Isn't that pretty? So now you could use it both ways, just by folding that down to get that loop back up, if you wanted to fold it and have it with the garden variety on this side. I'm probably going to play around with it, but you guys will probably be seeing me in my apron when I'm out in the garden, or when I'm in the kitchen doing canning or cooking or whatever, because it's so beautiful. And because it's 100% cotton, it's going to wash up really nice. Let me get my chair back here, and that's it. So I want to thank you guys. Oh, the hummingbirds. I want to thank you guys so much for coming by my channel and watching this unboxing. And please go over and check out her channel. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the content. Consider subscribing if you're not already. And have a super fantastic day. Bye.